Welcome to day 9 and day 2 of the 5 at sea. That's the bridge view.
Alright, before we get started today, first things first, I want to introduce myself. So my name is Chelsea, I'm going to be one of your hosts. Oh, thank you, that was lovely. And down there at the bottom of the stairs, I have Jade. Everyone say hi, Jade. Hi. Now I have a question for you all. Are you all having a wonderful sea day today? To get better, because you are all here for Officers Hide and Seek. That's right. Okay, now, Officers Hide and Seek, it is basically like your big game of hide and seek, but it happens all around the ship. So I want to ask a question, are we all excited and ready? Now, first things first, before we do get started, I, of course, need to show you and introduce to you our officers that we have here on the ship. So please make some noise for your incredible officers here on board the Disney Dream. That's right, our officers are going to be heading on down the stairs. Once again, please make some noise for our incredible officers. Thank you all so much for being here, officers. Now, once again, I want you all to take one good look at all of our officers here today that we have for your Officers Hide and Seek. Now, of course, you may recognize some of these faces, but for those of you that don't, I think it's only fair that we give an introduction to all of our officers, starting with Anthony.
Hi there. I don't know if you all know me. My name is Anthony. I'm the cruise director, and yes, it is great to be here, and I will introduce the rest of our officers right here.
Good afternoon, everyone. Swanning, your captain.
Hi everyone, I'm John, Manager of Human Resources. Nice to see you.
I'm Sam, Chief Engineer.
Good afternoon everyone, Joshua, Hotel Director.
Hi everyone, Sophia, Assistant Cruise Director.
Hello everyone, I'm Maya and I'm your Learning and Development Manager on board.
Hello everyone, I'm Steph, Manager Youth Activities and Weather Girl.
Hello everyone, I'm John. I'm one of the Service Excellence Trainers for Youth Activities.
Hello to the team, I'm Maria, part of the HR team.
I am Ruben Kohli, the Operation Manager on board.
Hello everyone, my name is Francisco, I'm the Crew Engagement Manager.
Hi everybody, I'm Durwan, I'm a Manager of Port Adventures and Recreation.
Alright, Disney Dream, so there is an introduction into all of your officers that will be here for the Officers Hide and Seek. Now I'm going to explain a little bit about the point systems. So when our officers go and blend in with the ship, they will all have a little card that has some points on them. Now what I'm going to say first of all is explain the point system. So Captain Sonomy, if you can please put your hand in the air. The captain will be 50 points. Now of course I will head on to the steering committee. So everyone that's a part of the steering committee, if you can please put your hand nice and high in the air. Now the steering committee are worth 20 points. I know. Now all senior officers, hands in the air for me please. You are all worth 10 points. And all our other officers, hand in the air for me. You're all worth 5 points. Now take one last long look at all of our officers. I advise taking a photo. Remember those faces? Lovely smiles, everybody. Great poses. Keep going. Alright, now what I'm going to do is send all the officers away to blend in with
So we need to, we're going to split up. What floors are you doing?
9 to 13.
What floor are you doing?
5, 6, 7, 8.
Who do we appreciate? And I'm doing levels 1 to 4.
Appreciate me.
You only get 1 card per team. I ask all of you to be back here for 2:05. So 5 past 2. Now, Disney Dream, I only have one more thing to say to you. Go and seek out those officers.
Are there any officers in here? No. It was her first place she needed to check. Thank you. Which way?
We'll go this way.
So we need to go to the end. Wait there, Lacey.
Here? Any officers in here?
This way? Should we have a look in here? It's the theatre. Oh. Can you remember what they look like? No. Is there anyone in the theatre?
No.
No.
What kind of office are you looking for?
We're playing hide and seek with the officers. There's no one.
There is a one restaurant manager office behind this one.
Okay, cool.
And there is a Disney Vacation Club office.
Okay, thank you.
This is not hiding, right? Behind this one.
All right, thank you.
Ready? But you ran out of tickets.
Oh, you should tell them. That's not fair.
We found.
That's right, please make some noise once again for all of our officers on board the bus. Disney Dream, I think it's only fair that we find out where our officers are hiding entering their dress stands.
Well, as you can see, I was across the way there because everybody found those guest services.
Four side in the ring together with the team, and I just figured out that 30 years ago when I was doing it.
He was painting Lacey's fault.
So next side on the
Continue their jobs. We thank you so much, officers. Now, for those of you who really did the English Award, did you all enjoy this afternoon? Well, that is what we love to hear. Now, Jade has been tallying up the scores along with Leah and Andrew, and we are ready to announce our winners. Now, I did mention that you'll be going home with a little goodie bag full of some keys.
Hi.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys! Bye guys!